Apalachee High School shooting suspect Colt Gray and father appear in court for separate hearings. Apalachee High School shooting suspect Colt Gray appeared in Barrow County Superior Court on Friday following this week's mass shooting. Apalachee High School shooting suspect Colt Gray appeared in Georgia's Barrow County Superior Court on Friday following this week's mass shooting. Gray has been charged as an adult with 4 counts of felony murder in connection to the shooting at Apalachee High School and faces a maximum penalty of life in prison without parole or life, with the possibility of parole if convicted, Judge Currie Mingledorff II said. Mingledorff brought Gray back into the courtroom to clarify an earlier statement that the death penalty was a possible maximum penalty. He would not face the death penalty if convicted because he is a juvenile, the judge said. Gray will remain in custody as his attorneys did not request bond. Gray did not enter a plea during the appearance. An attorney representing Gray also told the judge, "There was a development yesterday afternoon that makes it necessary for our office to have alternate counsel appointed, and arrangements have already been made in that regard. I've already explained that to Mr. Gray. Alternate counsel will be appointed by the end of the day today," she added. The suspect's father, Colt Gray, appeared in court not long after his son for a separate hearing. Colt Gray was arrested Wednesday and charged with 2 counts of second-degree murder, 4 counts of involuntary manslaughter, and 8 counts of cruelty to children, according to the Georgia Bureau of Investigation, GBI. Investigators had yet to provide specific evidence related to the charges, but have alleged that he knowingly allowed his son to possess a weapon. Colt Gray told Jackson County officers in 2023 that there were guns in the house, but that they were not loaded, when questioned about an online threat against a middle school linked to Colt Gray. For the felony murder counts, the maximum penalty for each count is up to 30 years imprisonment. Judge Mingledorff said, "For felony involuntary manslaughter, the maximum penalty for each of those offenses is 10 years imprisonment. For the 8 felony cruelty to children counts, the maximum penalty under the law for each of those 8 counts is 10 years imprisonment for a maximum total possible penalty for the charges that you currently are facing of 180 years imprisonment," the judge concluded. Gray could be seen rocking back and forth in his chair after the judge spoke. The preliminary hearing in his case, like his son's, will be on December 4. In 2023, Gray told the officers that he had sought to teach gun safety and that his son had recently shot his first deer. Gray also revealed that he was divorced from his wife and that he had recently been evicted from his home. His son had also had problems at a former middle school, Gray said.